So I'm going on a movie date tonight with my best friend, and I need to get ready. So come with me to get ready to go watch Spider-Man. I don't even know which Spider-Man we're on, but I'm very stoked. I'm not running late. I am never running late. I think that's a common misconception. A lot of people do get ready with me and they're like, I'm running so behind. I am not running behind. In fact, I am early. It's just the way it goes with me. But I need to get ready. Need to do something to my hair, need to look presentable, need to pick an outfit. It's gonna be cozy. It's gonna be, movies at 9 p.m. So I just want to be cozy, comfy, while still looking hella cute. I am dying of heat in this bathrobe, so we need to start getting ready. Let's go. I'm rambling. I think the first thing I'm gonna tackle is my hair. I just need to blow dry it. I use a few products. Let me show you what I use. As a heat protectant and overall just for the vibes and the shine, I use my Orbis Treatment Hair Water. Got this in Japan. I'm obsessed with it. I run it everywhere. It doesn't smell great. Kind of smells like glue, but I don't mind it. I am also in my sister's bathroom because it is way cuter than mine. So I am definitely using it while she's not home. And I also like to use like a hair growth serum. I am almost out of my L'Occitane Strengthening Scalp Serum, literally on its last leg. So I mainly apply it to the areas where I feel like I need it most. And I'm already on my second bottle of this. Possibly will be repurchasing a third soon because I'm almost out of it, but it is lovely and it doesn't weigh down my hair. I have an oily scalp, so I definitely need something that doesn't weigh down the hair or makes me look greasy. And then lastly, I will blow dry my hair. This is the Shark something. It's my mom's and it's missing the nozzle to dry the hair. Because you know what? I brought it down here and I forgot the nozzle and I don't want to go and get it because all I'm going to do is just literally rough dry my hair. I have very pin straight hair. It doesn't do much, so it doesn't take much to get it to look presentable. And whilst I speed through blow drying the hair, let me tell you a little story about this Spider-Man movie, okay? I've been wanting to go and see it. I think it came out last week. It's August 11th. So over here it came out on the 29th and it was sold out everywhere. There were no tickets to go watch it anywhere. I didn't think about buying them before the movie premiered. I don't know why. I didn't think about that, but my cousin and I really wanted to go. We were big Tom Holland fans and we were like, let's go watch it last week. So last Wednesday. And I was looking at the movie theater we wanted to go. They had the subtitled version and the dubbed version in Spanish. I was not gonna go watch Spider-Man in Spanish when I could watch it subbed. So I purchased the tickets. There was so much space. I was stoked because it was same day and I was like, I can't believe we got the tickets. And then I'm looking and I'm like, oh fuck, I bought the dubbed version instead of the subtitled version. So I was like, hell no. I'm gonna call them and be like, hey, could I switch my ticket? And they're like, no, you can't. And it was a whole deal. But in the end, I was able to switch out the tickets. So the fun little adventure that I went on, I have been avoiding spoilers left and right online. I am so scared. If you're chronically online, you know that Zendaya wore black for the whole press tour. Is she mourning? Who is she mourning, right? So anyways, I'm so excited I finally get to watch it. Rough dry. I'm not gonna let it dry completely because otherwise my hair is gonna have zero. It doesn't really have a wave, but it's just gonna have zero body to it. It's just gonna fall flat. So I'll leave it like this. I'm also using my sister's shit. My sister definitely does not watch my videos, but yeah, this is it for the hair. It is very much I just wanted to dry my scalp so that I don't get a cold or, more hair falls off of my head because leaving your scalp wet does cause some serious problems. So I just wanted to, zhuzh it up a little, but we're not doing much with this. Let me rearrange this and let's move on to do some makeup. Okay, so let's enhance things a little. My sister has no... Does she not have something to pull her hair back? Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, throwback. She really does have one of these. Are you kidding me right now? Hey, I look insane. Can't believe I used to go to school like this. Anyways, let's just enhance the face a little bit. We just want to look alive. Let me remove my aura ring for a second. I'm gonna go in with this Tulip Dewdrops from Bloom Effects just to moisturize a bit. I'm not doing like my full skincare. I obviously had a shower and washed my face, but I know I'm gonna have to come back and do that when I come back from the movies, which sucks because the movie starts at 9 p.m. and I know it's a long freaking movie. Anyways, a little bit of moisture with this so that my skin, oh, it really ate it up. Very, very cute. I haven't used this all that much, but I think my skin really likes it. And it gives me just enough without being too dewy, you know what I mean? We're keeping it very, very, very simple because I'm literally, I'm going to a dark room with the greatest girl in the world, my cousin, my best friend. But I do like, you know, sometimes I like to be a little bit more enhanced. Anyways, why am I justifying putting makeup on? I'm gonna do a little bit of my Air Perez Argan Brow Hero. I love this brow gel because it has good ingredients for your brows. It's the brow gel that I use on most days when I actually apply makeup. And it just tints the brows a little without doing too much. Cute. And now I'm gonna go with mascara. I'm probably gonna cry it all off, which is why I'm using my Jillian Dempsey Flick Trick Mascara. This is very natural. Probably should have curled my lashes, but I do not have my lash curler here. Once again, I am too lazy to go get it. Unfortunately, this mascara has like a flick thing that you can use to do eyeliner, which sucks, so I have to be very careful. I'm just gonna do a light layer of this. I'm probably gonna cry it all off, and this is very easy to remove because it is a very natural, so. I don't even know if you can tell, but it's just slightly enhancing, gives me a slight definition to the eyes, but it's nothing crazy. I am literally crouching right now so you can see me better. I'm gonna do a bit of concealer because under eyes, man, what can we do? Tower 28 Serum Concealer in DTLA. Literally gonna do just like a bit here, that might have been too much, and maybe a little here where I'm red. Have no tools, so we're going in with the fingies. If you have watched Spider-Man already, I know you can't tell me anything because this isn't real time either. But you know what I'm going through right now. You know what it felt like to be scared, not knowing what was going to happen. At least if you're not a casual person about things and you're kind of a fangirl like me. So please send me your best wishes. I am scared. Okay, last but not least, just a little bit of a tinted lip balm. I wanted to use my Eden one. Have no idea where it is. Maybe my sister, the one whose bathroom I'm in right now, maybe she stole it. I don't know. But maybe it's just in one of my purses. We'll see. But I am actually going to use a Naturium Fight Glow Lip Balm in the shade Jam, which is very similar to the other one, and it is less expensive. So nice. Oh. Okay. Do we love this? I love this. It literally looks like nothing happened, except something did happen. I evened some things out. I'm literally like in a split. But this is the makeup. As I told you, nothing revolutionary. We just wanted to, you know, enhance things a little bit. Now let's move on to the outfit. I still have time. I still have like 40 minutes, so we can take this. Chill. We can chill out. Oh, I don't know what this thing did to my hair, but okay, whatever. Okay, welcome to my closet where all the magic happens, basically, are being very brightly lit by one of my panel lights. And I need to put on my earrings because I haven't worn my earrings in a few days. Ew, I know it's gonna smell not so great. These are the earrings that I use all the time. They are from Dorsey, I think. My sister gave them to me for Christmas. And I use them a lot because they're so easy and so light. And as for accessories, when it comes to the outfit, this is basically all that I'm gonna do. My earrings, my aura ring, and that's about it. We're just going to the movies, guys. We have to chill. And I'm just like confirming with my cousin if we're going like pretty chill vibes. Let me gather some things, my vision, what I'm thinking. Oh, I need to find those pants. Hey, we found the pants, I have to find the top. We have the basics of the outfit. These FP Movement pants that you're gonna see me wearing in a second. So yeah, FP Movement pants are so comfortable, but they still look like kind of put together. You know, sometimes in the US, I feel like people literally go to the movies in their pajamas. And when I'm in the US, I totally would do that, but not here, not here. So this is like as close to pajamas as I get, while still being, you know, a little put together. And then I'm just gonna go in with an Abercrombie, like bra-free cami, black. It's the way to go. I need a sweater. Probably gonna be a sweatshirt, maybe. Let me see, I'm thinking this one. Ugh. It's blue. It's from Everybody World. Everybody World. And it looks like this. It's a little crazy blue, but it is very comfortable. We'll probably get really cold at the movies, so yeah, maybe. And then for shoes, I need something comfortable. I think I'm gonna wear my slides. I got these in Japan. They're just white slides, and they're pretty dirty. They're kind of like my version of like Birkenstocks, basically. They look like this. They're very comfortable, and I'm gonna wear socks, obviously. If I don't think the shoes are cute, then maybe I'll change them. But I mean, we'll see. We'll see. It's either these or I'm gonna go with some like sneakers or something. Let me see. But these are so much easier. So I think I'm gonna go with these and then a bag. It's probably gonna be like a big bag in case we want to sneak some food or something into the movie theater. Let me see, and I'll show you the final outfit when we have it, okay? Okay, and this is the whole fit. Basically, really, really big bag so that I can fit some snackies and stuff. It's from Anthropology like 1,000 years ago. It was gifted to me. This is the full outfit. I should probably not move all that much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Anyways, I can never look cool. It's midnight and I just got home. What did I just watch? Genuinely, what did I just watch? It was a ride. I don't think this is the most flattering angle for me, but anyways, what did I just watch? Maybe spoilers ahead, so if you haven't watched this movie, maybe don't like skip this part. I loved it and felt unsatisfied. I like Marvel. I'm not super into it, like comics and stuff, so I don't know the whole Jane Grey lore, but I know that there is Jane Grey lore, and I love Sadie Sink. My cousin and I, we clocked the bad guy from the second that he opened his mouth. We were like, this guy's not good. A very realistic portrayal of MJ being like, yeah, you love me, but I don't even know you. It was very realistic, but I wanted a little bit more of like a, maybe I remember something, I don't know. That bummed me out. Sobbed at the end because yeah, of course your best friend is gonna of course your best friend's gonna recognize you. That was incredible. Loved that touch. I liked it. I just felt unsatisfied. I don't know what to tell you. I was scared for a second, okay, because I thought Peter was gonna die. I thought he was gonna die, and I was like, this is why Zendaya's been wearing black all press tour, because of this moment right here. But maybe she was mourning Peter and MJ's relationship, now that I think of it, because he's okay. My boy's okay. Did he not say this was gonna be his last movie as Spider-Man? Or am I like making that up? Because the end credits said Spider-Man will be back. So when? Like I need answers. I am so tired. Can you see my bloodshot eyes? It is midnight. on a Tuesday, baby. So it is officially time for bed. Gotta go night-night. Thank you for coming along with me on this beautiful evening. Thanks for getting ready with me. This was a blast. I look like a mess, so there will be no formal outro. This is your formal outro. It is so hot in here. Good night and goodbye. Why did I do that?